Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is another video. Yes, I'm in the same shirt as the one before because I'm way behind on filming and everybody knows why, like I said before in the previous video. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the new subscribers. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so as this helps my channel out. I really appreciate y'all. Yeah. So I have Happy Mail and another Happy Mail, and I'm gonna open it in front of you guys. It's a box, and I didn't open it, and it's been sitting on my counter. Well, it's been sitting here in my craft room for quite some time. I'm not sure, but it's been sitting here for quite some time, and it's from Joanna with Color and Chat with Joanna. Thank you, Joanna. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm about to find out. I really appreciate it. I hope it's nothing that could die because, or flowers or nothing, because you know, I didn't open it yet. I know that sounds crazy, but people have sent me flowers and stuff, and well, not in a box, of course, but yeah, so I guess it wouldn't come in a box. Yeah, duh. See how I'm thinking right now, y'all? I'm not thinking, okay? I'm sorry, I apologize. It's gonna get better. Y'all just please ignore that. What? See, my mind's all over the place. Anywho, I am gonna open this Happy Mail box. Oh, it's from Color and Chat with Joanna. Y'all go check out her channel. I'm gonna link her channel in the description portion of this video. If y'all don't know who she is, y'all go check her out. She does whipping chats. She does she goes live. She does all the things. Y'all go check her out. I will link her channel in the description portion of this video. All right. Thank you, Joe. Okay, she did put lots of stuffing in here, so I hope it's not very cool. Oh shoot, I'm assuming this was for Valentine's. Okay, this was obviously a Valentine's, and it's stinking cute. Hold on, let me make sure there's nothing else in the box, y'all. Oh, Joe, you did a good job, Joanna, of packaging this. You did a good job. Okay, so, okay. So this is what it is. Lord, I'm kind of scared to open it. I hope it's nothing that can perish. Anyway, look, the cupcake, might I add, that's so stinking cute, and it's wooden. And look at the top of this box. It says Happy Valentine's Day. So y'all, yes, I'm kind of late, but you know, it is what it is. Happy Valentine's Day. And look how stinking cute this is. Joanna, this is so cute. This is really cute. I like it. Y'all, this is stinking cute. Oh, I love it. And on the back, she says, love you. Joanna, that's so sweet of you. That's so cute. I love this box, though, y'all. Look. I mean, really, like, I like pink. So it has pink on it. It's like a lot of pink. Love it. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have a whistle. Hey, I might need that. I think I'm putting this in my car, actually. Oh, Joanna. I like mounds. She gave me mounds, y'all. I don't know how you know this, Joanna, or if you knew that, but mounds, I love mounds. Oh my God, I love mounds, and she gave me mounds. Mounds and Hershey Kisses and Hershey bars are like really my favorite candies. I love them so much. Y'all, I love mounds. Okay, just let me say that. I love mounds. Thank you, Joanna. And oh, look, it says Happy Valentine's Day. Y'all, look how cute the little doggy is. I love it. It's so cute. Joanna, that's sweet. That is so sweet. I love it. And then this says, especially for you. And it's a little box with a flower on it, as y'all could see. Y'all, it's so cute. I like this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all. Oh my God. Joanna, you did not have to do this. Y'all. Oh my God. Y'all got, look. Just look. Oh my God. Joanna. Y'all, it's a cover minder. Let me just add that, okay? It is a cover minder. Y'all. Oh my goodness. I love it, y'all. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. Joanna. Holy cow. Y'all. This is so pretty. Okay, let me look. Just look at it. Y'all, look at it. It's so pretty. Joanna, you did not have to do that. Y'all. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, I love it. Joanna, I really love it. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. So much. I love you and I love it. I love it. Y'all, I know I said I love it. I'm gonna say it again. I love it. Look how cute. Y'all, I can't get over it. I can't. Look how stinking cute. Oh my God. Okay, so I know what I'm using this on. I'm about to do an unboxing of one of Diamond Art Club. I hadn't ordered from Diamond Art Club in almost a year. And I ordered 3 diamond paintings, and I'm about to do an unboxing of one at a time. And I'm gonna unbox something that I could use this for. Y'all probably can already guess, but this is gonna be perfect. I love it. Thank you, Joanna, so much for the gifts. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you. If y'all don't know who Joanna is, y'all go to, I'm going to put the link in the description portion of this video. Go to Color and Chat with Joanna. That is her YouTube channel. Y'all, please go check her out. Click the link. Go check her out. You're going to love her. She's hilarious. I love her so much. Thank you, Joanna, from the bottom of my heart. This really means a lot. You know how much I like sea turtles. And nobody ever, speaking for myself, I never turn down candy, so you know, there's that. Anywho, thank y'all for joining me. Thank y'all for joining my channel. If you're new, I really appreciate all of y'all, and I hope y'all all are doing well, and y'all stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.